In this video, I will show you how to create a Google Drive link to share files. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, what you want to do first is come across to your Google Drive. So if you open up a new internet browser, and what you want to do is come across to drive.google.com. So that's the official website, which is going to take you to your Google Drive. From here, if you haven't already, you want to first of all upload the files that you want to share. So to do that, come over to the menu on the left hand side, click the button which says new, and on this menu that pops up, you're going to see an option to either upload a file or a folder. In this example, I'm going to upload a file, so I'm going to click here, which is going to open up my computer's file explorer. What you can then do is locate the files that you want to download. So I'm going to go to my desktop, and I've got this folder here called photos, and there's a few files I want to upload from here which I want to share. What I'm going to do is just do this for one for now to show you guys how to create and share this file with a link. So I'm going to click onto this photo here and then click the open button. Now what's going to happen, you're going to see in the bottom right hand corner, it's going to start uploading this, and once that's done, the best way to locate this is if you come over to the left hand side, on this menu you want to click onto recent, and at the top of the recent list you should find the file you've just uploaded. Now to go ahead and share this with a link, all you need to do is come to the right hand side of the file. You're going to see the three dots over here which says more actions. Give that a click, and on this menu that comes up, you want to hover over the share option. What you can then do is click onto share on the sub menu that comes up, and that's going to open up a window like this. Now what you need to do first is come down to where it says general access and change this from restricted to anyone with the link, which means anyone that you send a link to this file to will be able to access that file. You can also set the permission for this, so whether you want people who click that link to just be a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. Once that's done, come and click the copy link button down here. You're going to see it says link copied. And once that's done, just click onto done. So that's the link copied. So what we can now do is share that wherever we want. All we need to do is paste this wherever we want. As you can see, I can paste it here in the address bar at the top. But of course you can paste that and share that wherever you want to, whether that's through Messenger or a message or something like that. And it's going to be a clickable link, which when people click on, they're going to be able to view that file. So that's how to create a Google Drive link to share files. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.